In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a form in ClickUp. To get started, open ClickUp and go to the workspace where you want to create your form. This is important because the form will be connected to the items and workflow inside that specific workspace. So make sure you're in the right place before moving on. Next, open Forms from the ClickUp navigation menu. If you don't see Forms right away, click More and then select Forms from the expanded options. Depending on your setup, some tools may be tucked away, so don't worry if it's not visible at first glance. Once you're in the Forms area, click New Form, then choose Start from Scratch. After that, select the list where you want form submissions to be saved. This step matters because every form response will be turned into work inside that list, helping you keep everything organized from the start. Now give your form a clear name. For example, you might call it Customer Request Form. Choose a name that makes the purpose obvious to anyone who will fill it out or manage the submissions later. After naming the form, click Add Question to begin building it. Choose the type of question you want to add based on the kind of information you need to collect. Keep adding questions by clicking Add Question again until you've included everything you want people to submit. A common setup might include fields for name, email, request, description, and priority. Try to keep your questions clear and specific so people can complete the form without confusion. Once your questions are added, select each one to edit its name and description. This is where you can make the wording more helpful and more precise. If a question must be answered, mark it as required. That can help prevent incomplete submissions and reduce the need for follow-up later. Next, customize the form's appearance by opening the design options. Here, you can choose the layout, theme, background, and button appearance. These visual settings help your form look more polished and can make it easier for users to navigate. Then open the Settings tab to configure how the form works. Select the list where submitted forms will create tasks, and choose the person who should be assigned to those submitted tasks. This helps automate your intake process and makes sure requests go to the right place right away. Before publishing, preview the form to check how it looks. This gives you a chance to review the flow, catch any issues, and make sure everything appears the way you want. When you're ready, click Publish to make the form available. Finally, click Copy Link. Your form link is now ready to share with people. Thanks for watching.